Yak it to me. Voice of the Web. Welcome in Macewood. Despite the world making a transition towards renewable sources of energy, however, it is widely accepted that none is as good as coal. Coal of Africa has remained an important fuel for decades, and is going to remain the same for many more coming decades. Coal is a reliable and handy means of heat or immense energy throughout the world. Since ages, it has been exploited to cater to the various energy-related needs of human beings. Africa is a nation bestowed with some of the world's largest coal mine reserves. Coal of Africa is known for its high quality and latent heat. Coal is a natural resource that is available in abundance. It is highly combustible, as such emits lots of heat on ignition. It is very well distributed across the world, and some of the largest coal reserves are located in South Africa. It is readily available, and makes for a cost-effective way for generation of energy. Some significant benefits of coal of Africa are jotted down here. Easy to use. One of the biggest advantages of coal over its counterparts is that they are handy and readily available for use, unlike oil and natural gas, that requires lengthier refining process. Yet another benefit of African coal is that it can be used all around the years, and climatic changes have no impact on it. Efficient fuel. Whether you are alive in Africa or any other part of the world, coal is most likely to keep your homes warm and cozy during those chilling winter nights. Coals even make for a great element in the sphere of cooking. Brazilian barbecuers always are in search of some quality coals that can help them attain the right temperature to make sure that the meat is perfectly cooked, and that is sure to leave a mark on their taste buds. Inexpensive. Easy accessibility and availability in abundance is what made the coal of Africa a cheap means of energy generation. Gas or electricity generation from coal is far cheaper than other non-conventional sources of energy. Even domestic use of coal compared to other non-renewable sources like gas or petroleum. Flexible. Coal of Africa is one of the most versatile resources of energy. Not only can it be used for generation of power and meeting the various electricity requirements, but also for recreational purposes like barbecues, which involves cooking in an open fire. Massive economic benefit. Coal mining and distribution industry in Africa is much larger than that compared to the gas, oil, and nuclear energy. The industry demands for huge manpower, creating employment opportunities from traders to suppliers to retailers, and everyone in between. This sort of direct or indirect employment is also by far one of the largest compared to any other alternate resources. Contact us Macewood. Visit http://macewood.co.za. Call +27 0 87 751 1077. Email info@macewood.co.za. This audio was brought to you by Yak It To Me.